Hi guys, my name's MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Okay, so in front of me, this is one of the recent release from Tarmacworks, the Mercedes AMG GT3, in collaboration with Light Black, with the container and a racing figure. So this was 500, only 500 pieces was made, and it's a web exclusive. So of course it's something that I had to go for because, as you can see at the back here, I am a AMG GT3 collector. So apart from the two pit lane sets, which yeah, the price point is a little bit too high for me. Apart from that two sets, I believe I have all of the release. Um, yeah, including the very first one was the Hello Kitty. I almost missed that. Imagine that, I almost missed that. So I am really thankful that I am currently up to date. So this is actually also new. I thought I want to run through with you guys. Okay. Oh, I just realized one I don't have here, the eRacing version. Yeah. If I have the eRacing one, then it's complete. Because this is the second eRacing version of the AMG GT3, and I really like it in this green. I really like that this packaging as well. It's matte kind of matte green, which I really like. And the car is actually on slightly gloss green, so that's actually very nice as well. So this one we see a slight difference in the packaging details underneath. Okay, but we still do see the license by Daimler genuine sticker. It's very nice. Okay, let's see at the back. So this box is not a toy. Keep this box away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, bed, carriages, or playpens. This box is not replaceable. Damaged. Okay. So this is another eRacing GP Hong Kong Season 1. Okay, and then it's in collaboration with Fingercroxx, X eRacing GP Hong Kong, Mercedes AMG GT3. Very nice. Very nice. Come, let's take a closer look. Take a closer look. Check that out. Check that out. So interior, it's just plain black. Let's see if we can see inside. Not much. Can't really see the inside. Okay, again, some stickers on the back here. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be some sort of detailing, but they put the stickers instead. I need to check that out, or if you do know what is that, please do let me know. Check out that ass, that very sexy ass. Very nice. Again, this is actually one of the older casting from Tarmacworks, and it still looks damn freaking good. Oh, check out the front. Yeah, I remember now when I when I stepped, because it has been a while since they made this casting, and I remember we always had an issue of having the side mirrors. Um, yeah, they're not balanced. So mine here in my hands, it looks fine. That's very nice. So this one is rather a little plain on the packaging wise, because the base is just very basic with the Tarmacworks logo and the Fingercroxx logo. Just the name of the model up front. That's all. Nothing else. So that's rather clean. Does feel a little different. But it does help make the car stand out a little bit more. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm just gonna park that there for a while because Oh, I just realized the other thing. This did not came with any limited edition card. I only have one, so I can't really compare. Yeah, it does feel a little strange when I don't get a card with it. I don't know why. Yeah, it's a regular release, so I don't see the need for a card for every single release. But yeah, it kind of feels strange right now that there's no card to it. Okay, itchy hands. I kind of pulled it open already. But first things first, let's just look through the box. It's all in full black. Just park a little bit more that side. Okay. So this one is in full black, matte black, in that paper kind of rough kind of finishing. Okay, and then underneath is the product details. Okay, and then at the back, I like how it's slightly hidden. Okay, it's a choking hazard. Exact scale model for adult collectors, not suitable for kids, and do not expose to sunlight. This is made in China, FM Union. So yeah, there's a logo there, and FB Craftsman. This is I believe it's Light Black's logo. It's another collaboration model with them. Only 500 pieces was made, and it's a wet exclusive. That is the reason why I must get it. Okay, so it's container. So out of the box, it comes like that. Just gonna put the box aside. So this, as usual, there's some little bit of accessories. So this one is the let's just call it the connector. Okay, and then there's the extra door panel with the Tarmac logo on this one. So let's take a look at the container. This is actually really very nice touch by Tarmac. This is not exactly new. They have done it a couple of times, but still, yeah, I really like their idea of the container. Okay, so this one comes with the window, and that's the reason why you can, they give you this piece of additional thing, so you can replace it with the window. Okay, so that is the Tarmacworks. Huh? How come they use the old logo here? Could this be part of the set that they couldn't sell? I'm not sure because I don't have that set to compare. I can't even remember. I don't remember right now. Is the number 3 completely black? Is it? Yeah, I don't remember. Okay, so this one comes with a figure. Oh, at the back. Ooh, mine is. Okay, you know what? I'll just slide the car out with the figure. Let's check out the figure first. There we go. Nice, in full black racing gear and helmet. Come on, zoom properly. Come on. Yeah, okay. So I really like it has all the texture on it. It's very nice. Oh, yes, okay. Check that out. With even the what do you call that? Yeah, it's for the safety, so that the helmet doesn't it kind of helps hold the helmet in place together with the shoulder. So that's very nice. This is actually, I'm impressed. The figure is actually done very, very nicely. Very, very detailed. I'm impressed. Very nice. Very nicely done. I think he stands. Yeah, it stands fine as well. That's very nice. Okay, we go to the car. So I bought it actually mainly for the car. Black on black. like it. I like it very much. So Tarmac and Felix actually did a live earlier today, and they did announce that there will be another version of this another version of the same thing, container, and it's pretty much another collaboration model with Light Black using this GT3 Mercedes model. And I've always liked how they managed to pull it off. Look at the wing, the pillars, how it stands up there so nicely. Okay, check out that Mercedes logo at the back. Very, very nice. Little scaffolding inside, but I can't see much. Just a little bit from the front. Let's see what we can see. Not much as well because the interior is in black. Again, it's the old Tarmacworks logo on the windshield. So it's supposed to say light black, I think. Well, but it's black on black, so I can't really see much. Yeah, I think it's supposed to say light black. Nice. Very nice. Well, from here it looks fine because they always have this issue of the front of the car being, higher, lift up a little bit, but this one looks okay. Nice. You know what? Let's take a even closer look. Let's take it out of the base. Okay, so it's just one screw underneath, as manufactured by FB Crafts. Oh, okay. That's new. I didn't know that. So it's manufactured by FB Craftsman. Sorry. Let's get that out of the way first. Okay, so I got that out of the way. It's a slightly different mechanism to lock the car in place. Yes, okay, so it's manufactured by FB Craftsman Factory, hence the logo on the box you see earlier. Yeah, so it's them. I remember seeing something on the container as well. I see it somewhere. Yes. No, it's not there, but okay, so it's like black, 64 accessories. FM Union, so this is the one that I'm not so sure about. If you do know what it is, please do let me know. Okay, alright, so I got it out of the base. Let's see. Oh, why is it still stuck? No. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I think it's the rubber. It's really stuck onto the... No. How can this be? Yeah. I'm trying to remove it, without making any major damage to it. But yeah, it's really... That's all that's holding it. Yeah. So it's really stuck onto the base now. Interesting. Okay, there, finally got it off. Then I get some tire marks on the base. Still fine. No, I don't see anything permanent there. Nice. So underneath, not much details. It's riveted by 2 screws. Okay. So it has that old Tarmac logo. I guess this is actually the old mold that they have. Made in China, Tarmac 164, Mercedes AMG GT3. Nice. Does it roll? Yeah, the back. Let me zoom a bit. Oh, come on. Yes. Yeah, the back wheels kind of roll, but the front is... Okay. But it's fine. Still a very nice casting from Tarmac. Okay, cool. Alright, so as usual, I'll be taking close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. And let's do a very quick count on how many AMG GT3s that I have here to complete. There's 3, 6, 9, 12. I think there's one more that's missing, the eRacing red version. So yeah, 12, 13, 14, 15. I guess it's 15 individual cars to complete all the variants. Let me know if I got it wrong. I think I'm right, excluding the 2 exclusive pit sets. Yeah, I think I'm complete. Cool. Okay, so yeah, remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that I don't miss on my awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.